And these are the HBX parts. Got them out of the bags, except for these. Now, these are a real snug fit on the 20mm tubes, so glue stick or epoxy or anything like that would be easy to make them permanent, even CA. And the original idea was to have that turning for a tricopter tail so that the whole tube could turn. But they turned out to be excellent braces for the mounting of the arms. So these are larger than the other outer arm mounts, and you've got lots of options. You've got 2 clamp option for this, as well as 3 clamp on the top, but you only need, you could use it with 1 if you were under a 400mm quad, but you can use 2 for the larger quads, and that's what I'm going to be using, is 2 clamps on each side, and then a single clamp for the center arm, I think. Now there'll be 2 clamps on the inside here, and on this version I've included a single hole in the center at all positions, so that once you get your geometry set, you can lock it in, including the motor mounts that also have that hole. So you could use a 3mm hole or drill, and just drill once you've finished assembly and measured everything, and then you can pin the arms in the position that they're in. Now the center arms here will be single sections each one, so that you'll be able to pull them out with the power wires going to your ESCs, and then take the arm and fold it sideways, or put it on top this way so that you only have a 7-inch width or something like that. It's going to be quite compact when you pull the arms off, but you'll have to include like a silicone wire so that it's quite flexible. The camera mount is here. This is for Mobius or even GoPro, GoPro 4, GoPro 3, and that'll go on the front with the traditional gimbal balls. And that's what I've been flying lately, and I haven't had any jello since I built up the mini mud puppy. And basically that's the set. You'll also get tubes with it. You'll get 4 tubes, some large, probably I would say 15-inch or 20-inch tubes for the outer arms where your motors will be, and then 10-inch tubes for the inner side, so that you can basically make it whatever size you want from cutting down those tubes and to suit your props. I'll be flying 12-inch props on this with the 3506s, and the weight should be considerably less than the HB8, though it's not going to hold as much gear. The NASA and everything else I plotted on the designing, so that will fit with OSD and all that, and transmitter. So we'll see how it turns out this weekend. We'll start building it. See ya.